Hi there, my name is Mr. Jackson and I'm the Head of Science here at Harris Academy Greenwich. I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of our science curriculum, which is underpinned by our science vision. We want our students to be critical, curious and inclusive, and this underpins every decision we've made with regards to curricular thinking here at Harris Academy Greenwich. We want our students to be critical, curious and inclusive. We believe that learning science gives us a deeper appreciation of the universe, not only how we exist in that universe, but how the very fabric of that universe exists in us. We want to embed a lifelong childlike curiosity in all of our students so they can not only see and appreciate natural phenomena for their beauty, but also appreciate them for the incredible science that underpins them. A true understanding of scientific thinking is an appreciation for simplicity and the core principles that govern the natural world. Now, in an ever-changing world, young people are surrounded by information. Without the prerequisite skills to critically judge what can be trusted, science holds the keys to unlocking people's ability to look at that critically, at news, social media, and opinions for the truth behind them. Science teaches us how to look at information, data to support claims, and question the validity of evidence, which are essential skills for young people to become part of a well-informed electorate so they can make good decisions and make a positive change in our society. We believe that science is a pursuit of all humanity. So no matter what your gender, ethnicity, or sexual orientation, we believe science unites us in a pursuit of knowledge and greater understanding. It's the ongoing pursuit of powerful scientific knowledge that will unlock the world's biggest secrets, solve the problems of humanity, and create a more equal and fairer society. And we believe every child has a right to that knowledge, which is why we believe every child should be critical, curious, and inclusive. Our students here at Harris Greenwich will experience a spiraled curriculum, looking at all three sciences in every year of study, and every year they revisit the key topics in the sciences. They will go into more depth, more understanding and more critical thinking about the knowledge. In the early years of Key Stage 3 in biology, they'll look at organisation before moving on to the idea of the structure and function relationship, before looking at evolution as a driving force. In chemistry, we explore the world of matter and its interactions through a macroscopic, microscopic and symbolic lens to ensure students have fluency in chemistry across many contexts as they build through the curriculum. With physics, their journey starts looking at an observational idea of nature, looking at what they see and being able to describe what will happen next. This leads them on to the idea of cause and effect, and then onto quantitative analysis before they interlink ideas in GCSE and beyond. I've given an example here of one topic the students will journey through in their biology curriculum. They will look at cells in Year 7. And they'll look at them from an organisational standpoint before they revisit it in Year 8 and look at the structure-function relationship. And finally in Year 10, as evolution as a driving force will be the theme that they look at this topic through. So if they learn in Year 7 that cells are the building blocks of life and they make up all organisms, they can then look at the hinterland and ideas behind how cells were discovered and learn the rich context behind the science. With the structure and function relationship, they'll learn in more depth that cells have different components which serve wider functions. They'll look at the different components within cells and how these cells can be used for many different things. By the time they reach GCSE and A-level, the complexity of cells have developed over time will be the key takeaway. Looking at the similarities and differences across the history of cells, looking at eukaryotes, prokaryotes, the differences between them and how they came to be. This is just one example of a topic they will revisit along the spiral curriculum in more depth every time they visit it. Thank you for watching our walkthrough of the science curriculum today, and hopefully our vision of students becoming critical, curious and inclusive is something that you want in science for your child here at Harris Greenwich. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to email me. The email link is here below. Have a lovely day and thank you for your time.